Do you know how to use Adobe Illustrator? Do you know how to use freepik website? Well then, let's begin into our journey. Over here, this is a website called freepik, and this is a popular website. Why? Because from Adobe Illustrator and a few other things. So, how can we use this? So we can use it from Adobe Illustrator. I mean, how? Because we can use this for other reasons too, right? Let me tell you. First of all, you can press free. If you guys want to go on premium, then you guys could go on premium. And over here, press vectors, because in Adobe Illustrator we use vectors. So always press vectors if you are using Adobe Illustrator. So for example, I'm searching anything, and over here I have a few options. Now, there's one thing that I should tell you. No matter what you're doing, no matter what sort of design you are trying to do, even though you are like, okay, I'll download it and then I won't copy the idea, but never copy the idea, because someone created that. It took that person time. It took some effort, pressure of like what idea to create. It's not like, okay, 1 second I got an idea. To complement to an idea, it takes some time. So over here, let me tell you how to download. So when you press download, over here, when you press download here, it says free download. Just press free download, and you can copy paste, and whatever it will give you in the Adobe Illustrator format. But if it doesn't, don't freak out. That person, whoever created that, just wanted JPG only. Just wants you to see the photo. That's it. Now let's move on to utech.edu.com. So this is a website, and from this website, I like in courses I did Adobe Illustrator, and I'm doing Adobe Photoshop, which will happen in after 4 weeks, and today was the last class. So over here on people, when you press on our team, let's press that. So let me tell you a little bit about this really fast. So I've done a course with these people about like artificial intelligence, and this is the teacher, Miss Warda. Okay, and there are like multiple teachers. This teacher over here, Nashava, Miss Nashava, she is teaching my sister, and so far she's really good. And over here, for Adobe Illustrator, I've been learning from Sir Ali, and he's such a nice teacher. He told me how to blend, and he told me many various options about Adobe Illustrator. Now let's go on to my project that I have created. Over here you can see this project, and before you get shocked, I didn't create these human beings and things over here, animated things. I've used this from freepik. Now you might be saying, wait a sec, you just said do not take the whole entire idea. I didn't take the idea. I just took a few pictures and I edited them a little bit. Okay, and like for example over here, I just drew myself, that's showing that my name is Aisha. Okay, my name is Aisha. Okay, and over here I wrote, hooray, I am the best student. Now what's the idea behind this? Let me just show you. So over here, let me tell you what I'm trying to say. Over here, as you can see, that there was like a message. This our like teacher sent us. Okay, our other teacher. It said that in the last week of course, they were like post like they will like give us like an honor certification, and they'll give us a scholarship and a few other things that are mentioned in here in this project here. So as you can see over here says the Utech ceremony meeting. So they will do one, and let's scroll down a little bit here. So the idea behind this is that so here are all the teachers. Here's me just congratulating myself, and I'm like, hooray, I won. And over here they're like, Asha has to win. And here's my teacher, Sir Ali. Just imagine, okay, this might not be the perfect picture, but I just do. Okay, I just whatever the picture I found, I just imagined. And over here is Sir Anez, and Sir Anez is the CEO, okay, and of the Hornshire courses, and this is Miss Warda, and this is Miss Arij. And over here I wrote the agenda. Number 1, selection of best student. So they're doing the selection. And number 2, honorable certificate. And number 3, scholarship for next course, which I will definitely get it. Now over here, down here, it says Aisha is going to win because he got 0 out of 100, and she's crying, she's sobbing, and she's like, no! And she says Aisha is going to win. And this little boy, he's crying and he's saying Aisha is going to win. So you might be saying, are you going to win? Hopefully. So over here, I've used the flare tool to make the lights. And this was my project. I hope you like it. And here's my signature, by the way.